Yeah, hit it. Do it good one time. One more time. Do it one more time. What's up, y'all? The headlights are gone. Well, this side gone out. Oh boy, time to get some new headlights. One thing after another. Try it one more time. Cut it on. Just cut it on. See if it come back on. All right, so real time. Great indication telling that since it's that color, definitely about to go out. Let's see. See how long you stay on. And there we go. Yep. Time to get some. I was trying to see if I wanted to get the last fit ones, but at this point, I don't even know. Might have to get some from Amazon and find me some different ones and stuff. So, yep. So that's what I'm pretty much dealing with right now. Can't drive at night like I want to until I get that new headlight. But alrighty, y'all. That's what I'm dealing with. So I see y'all on the next one. Peace out.